a phone. So look, we talking 50 years of hip hop. You do Yankee Stadium. Is that the biggest crowd you ever rocked?
Yes. That's the Summer Jam.
Fuck
I
no.
did Summer Jam.
You did the world tours you was doing with Tune is bigger than that.
Yeah.
But that is all of them
You
stadiums?
was out the country.
Yeah, I just, yeah. For me, it was more personal, the craziest, because it's home.
It's the Bronx, yeah.
Nigga pulled up, like, I ain't gonna front. Fat Joe, you saw the intro to his show?
I was at the bar.
Yo, Fat Joe intro was crazy. The nigga left. He left the projects, Forest, nigga. He put the outfit he had on stage, the Jeff Hamilton, no shirt, chains, shorts. He did the daytime video, nigga. Leaving the project apartment. Following him leave that shit.
Tough.
Out the building,
Fire.
with niggas out front, out the building, in the Ghost, pull up in front of Yankee Stadium. That was the video for his show. When he pulled up in front of Yankee Stadium, he walked out to that. That was the craziest shit for me. Just even experiencing it. Like, it's just that and the full circle moment for my dad too, bro. Like that shit, seeing my pops come out at Yankee Stadium and do that shit.
Right.
To me, that was a big deal, bro. And Wayne and them knowing the importance of that for me and let me rock. Because they didn't have to do that, bro.
And Wayne said, Peter Gunz's son, that's an inside joke y'all got?
Yeah, it is.
What's that about?
I keep it a bean.
Peter Gunz's son.
My pops was supposed to come out with us.
Wow.
He picked Joe.
He kept
Said,
it
"Come
Bronx.
on,
He kept
Joe,
it
stay."
Bronx and wanted to keep it.
Wow.
So that's why Tune was like, yo, Peter Gunz's son. And we both laughed at each other.
Yeah, I
laughed.
saw
We
that.
knew the
Then he
vibes,
fixed
but
it like Cory.
Yeah.
we knew the vibes, but yeah, like that's, bro, that man, bro, all over the world with that nigga, bro.
Right.
Tune a good nigga,
Like,
man.
come on, man.
That's fire.